air fryer tortilla pizza. Ready in 5 minutes, almost no mess, and it's crispy, cheesy, and delicious. And you only need a few ingredients: floured tortillas, sauce, cheese, and oil. First thing we need to do is preheat our air fryer to 400 degrees. Next, get your tortillas ready by giving them a light spray of oil on both sides. This will make them extra crispy. Next, spread your sauce on the tortillas going almost to the edges. You can use pizza sauce, pasta sauce, or get creative. I've even made them with barbecue sauce and cheddar cheese. And speaking of cheese, next we're going to sprinkle on our cheese. I'm going traditional here with mozzarella, but slices of provolone work really well too. Then all we have to do is pop them in the air fryer for 3 minutes and crispy, golden, delicious pizza in 5 minutes. This is my go-to late night snack and one of my favorites. If you like this video and want more quick, easy recipes that anyone can follow, like and subscribe to my channel, Mikey Conquers the Kitchen. I've got new videos coming out weekly, and I hope to see you there soon.